If you want to check someone's Telegram last seen, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it on Telegram Web or on the Telegram desktop app. This is a really simple process, but it's useful if you want to see whether someone is currently online, recently active, or showing a last seen status in the app. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and software how-to videos. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web in your browser, or launch the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account because you need to be inside your Telegram inbox before you can check a contact's activity status. Once Telegram loads, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Now, click on the contact's chat from your list. This can be a direct message conversation or any chat where that person is visible. As soon as you open the conversation, look at the top of the chat window. Right under the person's name, Telegram usually shows their last active status. This is where you'll see details like online, last seen recently, last seen within a certain time frame, or other status indicators depending on that user's privacy settings. In some cases, Telegram may not show an exact last seen time if the person has restricted visibility in their privacy settings. So if you don't see a precise status, that does not always mean something is wrong. It usually means the user has limited who can view their activity. If the last seen information is visible, you can use it to quickly understand when that contact was last active on Telegram. This is especially helpful if you're waiting for a reply or trying to confirm whether someone is available. Just remember that Telegram privacy settings can affect what you're able to see, so the result may vary from person to person. And that's it. To check Telegram last seen, open Telegram Web or desktop, select the contact's chat, and look right under their name at the top of the conversation window. Super quick, super easy. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Telegram tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.